Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Washington, United States President Joe Biden said United States forces would defend Taiwan in the event of a China's invasion. His most explicit statement on the issue, drawing an angry response from China that said it sent the wrong signal to those seeking an independent Taiwan. Asked in a CBS 60 Minutes interview broadcast on Sunday whether United States forces would defend the democratically governed island claimed by China, he replied, "Yes, if in fact there was an unprecedented attack." Asked to clarify if he meant that, unlike in Ukraine, United States forces, American men and women, would defend Taiwan in the event of a Chinese invasion, Biden replied, "Yes." The CBS interview was just the latest time that Biden has appeared to go beyond long-standing United States policy on Taiwan, but his statement was clearer than previous ones about committing United States troops to defend the island. The United States has long stuck to a policy of strategic ambiguity and not making clear whether it would respond militarily to an attack on Taiwan. Asked to comment, a White House spokesperson said United States policy toward Taiwan had not changed. The president has said this before, including in Tokyo early this year. He also made clear then that our Taiwan policy hasn't changed. That remains true, the spokesperson said. China's Foreign Ministry spokeswoman Mao Ning told a regular briefing in Beijing that Biden's comments sent a seriously wrong signal to separatist forces for Taiwan independence. China was strongly dissatisfied and resolutely opposed to Biden's comments and had lodged a formal complaint over it, she said, warning that China reserves the right to take all necessary measures to counter separatists. Taiwan's foreign ministry expressed its thanks to Biden for his reaffirming of the United States government's rock-solid security commitment to Taiwan. Taiwan will continue to strengthen its self-defense capabilities and deepen the close security partnership between Taiwan and the United States, the Taiwan ministry said in a statement. The CBS interview with Biden was conducted last week. The president is in Britain for Queen Elizabeth's funeral on Monday. Play with fire. In May, Biden was asked if he was willing to get involved militarily to defend Taiwan and replied, in the 60 Minutes interview, Biden reiterated the United States remained committed to a One China policy in which Washington officially recognized Beijing, not Taipei, and said the United States was not encouraging Taiwan's independence. "We're not moving, we're not encouraging their being independent. That's their decision," he said. "Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.